I want you to see the beauty for a minute. And I'm going to show you where I just was. If you can see that bush on the top, I was just laying down and asked for a sign from the universe about what's going on with me and how to unlock my heart more. Ravens came, first one, and then two, and then three. And I was reminded of my pagan roots. I have been called for a long time, I guess, to speak on paganism and communion with the earth. And I have been hesitant, more than hesitant, and I think part of it has come from being a member of some of the pagan groups on Facebook and realizing that they don't depend on the earth, they depend on man to feed them. Our relationship, of course, as herd animals should be with each other, but we also need to have a relationship with the mother, the earth. She's calling out to us right now to commune with her. And we don't necessarily, we put ourselves on Facebook, we put ourselves on anything really, to not commune with her. Now there are some of us that do, and we tend to have better lives. We tend to be much more happy, especially if, like, a lot of us have sworn off doctors and have gone to all natural things. I totally believe that helps, especially with things like depression and bipolar, where the only thing we get really is a band-aid and not how to overcome it. Now, I didn't plan this very well, I guess, but I don't really care. There's two ravens sitting up on the top there. I don't know if you can see them. I can only see them without the camera. But their nest is up there. Not right there, but down a little bit. We need to remember where we came from. We didn't come from Christianity. If God created us, the Great Spirit, the Creator, created us, and He created us to be on this earth, to commune with this earth, not to be at such a distance from it. The only time we feel betrayed or like life is shit is when we're not in alignment. We're either pushing things too hard, we're going too fast, we're not stopping to smell the flowers, to feel the feels. Because this is love. This is the love that the Creator gave us. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed.